Writing Still Bobby was a very cathartic experience. I didn't even set out to write a memoir, but when I started thinking about where I came from to where I am and all the things in between, it was definitely emotional. I mean, it certainly gave me things like gratitude, a little bit of sadness for the people that aren't here anymore, but really gratitude and excitement for the future. Some of the things I've learned writing the book, I learned that I am a storyteller and I like to teach people by telling stories. So I also learned that I am someone that is very positive. And even when I talk about times that were tough, I realized that you go through tough times, but it's what you do with the information that makes all the difference. And I realized I can't help myself. I'm just genuinely a nice, hardworking person. The hardest part to write was really when I lost my mother, my brother, and lost my company. Those were the hardest things to write about. And I wanted to make sure when I wrote about them, it was more factual and really not about my emotions. I am a big believer that anyone could reinvent themselves at any time. Sometimes you need an event that kind of forces you to reinvent yourself, but other times you just need to press the reset button. When it's about your health, you just say, okay, I'm done. I don't want to do that anymore. It doesn't make me feel good. I want to start doing these things. So that's about your personal health. Also, you can reinvent yourself with your work, with your career. But my advice is always start with what do you love? If it makes you happy and it's your passion and you love it, it sure is a lot more fun going to work. I am really consistent. I'm very open to learning new things, but when I look at everything, I kind of have the same outlook on everything I do. What has really helped me realize how being still Bobbi is the way I want to be. Honestly, it's my values, it's my authenticity, and it's important to me no matter what I'm doing, no matter what job, no matter what career, I am still Bobbi with the same thoughts and feelings as I've always had. Who doesn't face self-doubt? We all wonder, is this the right thing? What if someone doesn't like something? Before launching Jones Road, I was worried. Oh my God, was I a one-hit wonder? Are people going to like this new thing I'm doing? But you know what? I just let that go and I just did what I had to do, held my breath until I started hearing that people loved it. A makeup or skincare step that I never not do is moisturizer. I don't think people realize the importance of a great moisturizer. It just softens everything, gives you a little bit of plumping, and just makes you feel great to be hydrated.